Hey, Valerie Kaiser, the Vacation Queen here, and we are on the Carnival Vista in room 2438. This is a family harbor room. The ocean view to sleep 5. There is a shower, toilet, and sink area. And then we have another half bath over here. It just has a half tub for bathing the babies and a sink. We have some storage over here. Got the stroller in there. Some more storage over here. We have more storage over here. And some more storage over here. Here's the vanity area, desk area, with a mini fridge. The bed. Then there's a sofa bed right here, and then there'll be a bed that folds down from the ceiling over here, and another bed that folds down from the ceiling over the top of the king size bed. And the TV. And then the window opens up for our ocean view. This is a family harbor ocean view room on Carnival Vista.